for interview, then they realize what mistake has been, they have did it. So let me live into so video session. What the session has been created today. Are you outside or somewhere else? Okay, any question in previous session?
No, sir. No, sir. I
Okay.
am practicing.
Okay, the question that you're asking for, I'm going to give the answer immediately, don't worry. Not a big deal, it's very easy because in phone not possible. I am talking to that time in office, that is I didn't respond to your question. So let me show you. Okay. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, it's all in. So see, the option that you're asking for, with the Power BI Outlook, open it. It's loading. Road acceptance is perfect. And you haven't shared the data? At least share the data with me also.
I shared, sir. Once you see another mail, sir.
Okay, 2 mails you send it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, perfect. It is downloaded. Let's open the file now.
See the data also, sir.
Yes, yes. I'm just opening it one by one. Oh, data.
That's data, sir.
I will create the video for you and I'll give the link to you so that you can watch. And it doesn't need to save anything. See, without community support, we cannot build anything. The way people have a different opinion, so that's going to improve my quality of the training. It's not a build a one day, okay? Because a lot of people giving the feedback, suggestion, so that going to implement. I'm really taking a serious action, and if you have any kind of feedback, see this. This is the giving security admin access. So go to the file option, and here we have the security setting and use map and fill map visual, this option, okay? Enable.
Okay.
Also if you want, if you use ARGSC map, then you can, otherwise don't, that this one don't need, but yeah, this one is required. And then okay, and let's save it. I save in your folder. Whenever wanted to access it, go ahead and do it. Okay. Let me save the data. Here the details. I was computing. Why it doesn't allow me to download? I trust this content. Yeah, it's a lot of options you can change now. It's a downloading. Okay. So when download, I'll save this. Okay, let me restart this one and open the file. There's no SOP here now. When we are not enabled of your organization, contact your tenant admin to fix this detail. Let me check my detail. .podby.com, and thereafter go to the setting, admin portal, enable sharing. Can please mute yourself? I don't know what kind of background getting. Let's type Mac. Yes. Yes, enable here. It is disabled it. So let's enable here. So usually organization did it, but I didn't enable this one. Let me enable this one too. It's enabled already. Enable it. Enable REST API. Entire organization. Okay. Since I have admin access too, so might it will work now. Let's check once again. This is admin portal, okay, and most of the time organization won't give the access to you, so you reach out to your admin to get we can say enable this one if it's not working. So now let me restart this one once again. I'm sure this will work now. Two options must be enabled. One is tenant admin access, and that will let you know. In last session admin part I just covered basics so that you understand. Longitude, latitude, data type, latitude, don't sum it, okay, and longitude. So change the longitude, don't summarize this. What is the location?
Sir, you can select latitude and longitude, sir.
No, at least Let's select the latitude first. So latitude is this, and what is the longitude? And longitude, okay.
Yes, sir. You
So
have to.
why it's not uh, working? As in why say we can say average? Check this one, shape map. No, shape map. No, it's not average. Okay. Wait, let me remove the fill map. Okay. So we need at least one location for it. Where data view location. Survive to locality. Let's see now. Surface country. Data is come from South Asian Wales, West Midland, Wing, Susan, sorry, some America data, local authority, okay, wait 1 second, let me, this data we need the name of the, we can city and something so that identify the area, okay, and we just have the location but not exact. Longitude, latitude must be support but doesn't support as intended. So if I select this one, yeah, longitude, latitude, longitude. We need to pass another column as well here. So if I select the longitude, latitude, and here I have select the longitude. But what is the duration of it? What is, which countries belong to the data is many North America, South America, Europe, Australia. So what is the value of it that you wanted to see? Extent index. So name of the column is accident index. Okay. So we need a count of index. Color restoration, this one tooltip. We are not using correct map here, okay? Now if using the longitude, latitude, here is the longitude, longitude. Now next use the bubble size. So bubble size have the index ID, count of incidents, okay, and if you are looking for the tooltip, where the tooltip is, What should I give the tooltip? Tooltip give the exivality. Okay. So now see this. This is your visual that you have. Now continue. I think tooltip is not needed. Remove this one. It's going to create the problem for it. For fill map, we need the information. The column information is not there. That reason it's needed as intended. Okay. So this is the dashboard that we have. Okay. Understood now? So you have in the file, you can download whenever you want. If there are any other question that you are asking for this project,
No, sir, that's it.
but one feedback I have, okay, one to give it to see. Here you selected the same color. You searched white. See, here you selected gold. Either maybe select color also is white or maybe same color. Color should be same on everywhere. Font color. I'm talking about either white, either different color. Maybe give the if you get color then display red. If other color then this. So we need to pass the condition for it. Next we have a roadside. So let you can say here I have the color. So try good, but yeah, naming convention should be small, not this. CY and PY casualty monthly trend. That's it.
Current year.
CY as PY casualties monthly trend. That's it. And comparing part, try to use some different visual. This is not looks good. If I use this one, stack column chart. No, not this one. Where is the visual that I'm looking for? Need to fix this, okay, because it should be it should be chain and friend look, maybe circle, maybe whatever it is, but yeah, this is not looking good. Casualty prospect is good, this one is also good, but yeah, color should be changed more color that look more better. So, but yeah, overall you have done a great job. I appreciate that. This kind of dashboard is very important to learn this. Okay. You can implement here the dashboard which I created here. Okay. Next, any other question that you have in your mind, let me know. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So we are working under this. Okay. Then we'll move to the final part. So total sales by country. So the DAX. So let's we cover the drill through, tooltip, bookmark, and button creation. This thing covered today, and apart from the DAX too. Okay, so let's work on two DAX today, and thereafter work on the next part. Okay, DAX function. So total sales by country, I already told you. See the total rows, total sales. See this by the sum X or sum whatever suits to you. So you can go ahead and do it. Let me sum X, okay, and then pass the column name, order details, order details, and then we have the sales amount. Okay, this is total sums we have. This is going to create each row that we have evaluate automatically and create that. Okay, next part I'm going to do the cumulative cells. So a cumulative prospect I already covered, so let me add here. Looking for the each cell to be plus it, so cumulative underscore cells. Okay, so plus calculate sum total cells, looking for, but the problem is that I'm looking for the step-by-step cells. Okay, so filter all selected, then we have order calendar, why not create the calendar? Okay, let's use the order detail as well. Order details, order date. Okay, and close this one. Order table out selected only, order date, then close it. Thereafter order date, what I did here, order date, then bracket close comma, order date is equal to less than equal to max order, what I did exactly, I told the system that total it by plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 2 plus 3 3 plus 4 4 plus 5, so 3 plus 4 4 plus 5, same way you can do that and total it. That's I'm looking for, so that be created. I already created it. I don't know where should I, let me check. Yeah, I already created that. See this one I have already created. So financial sales all selected, financial date and max. Okay, so it will going to create the each row so that you have accurate information. Average, you know that mean value cover date, 12 month moving average. Okay, so 12 month average is same way formula. I'm going to move 12 month. So how should I do that? So cumulative already there. Okay, just I'm going to change this one. The cumulative cells. Okay, 12 month. Okay, 12 month. How should I do that? Let pass variable and pass the duration. 12 month. See the date that we have, this date I'm looking for the 12 month data. Okay, so for 12 month we need to make sure the data should be available. So if I pick up the maximum date and then minus 12 months, it will display the correct value that I'm looking for. This is a logic prospect. Okay, so max date. Okay, the function, so we use the max and then paste this and go ahead. Next problem is that I'm looking for the value where we have the date in a range between that. Okay, so that going to pass it. So here I have a variable result is equal to, just use this one. Okay, total it, no problem, maybe averages, since it asking for average, so average it. But the problem is that I'm not looking this way, I'm looking date between, date in between. Why is not presenting date in between? yeah, date in between. Apply this one so that it will give the error. Perfect. Now add date calculate, okay, average total sales, close the bracket. Then I wanted to pass here 12 months. So formula, we have a date in period, okay. Then we have the order date. So I told the system that please pick up the max date. And in minus 12 month I'm looking for the value. Minus 12, and the interval is a year. So maybe month. Even maybe 12 days, 13 days, whatever month you're looking for, you can do that as your call. Okay, and then pass the return. And then result, okay. So this way you can create the 12-month farm. How many months wanted to go back and do it. Even if you don't have any, if you looking for customize, that's customer say, provide the selection option that I can do it. Okay, so what should you do? You can come and create in Excel, okay. Any doubt, let me know, Monica. Okay, stop immediately. Then rolling average. So rolling average. Actually, this system is called rolling average. So I'm looking for the 12 months. 6 months. Then I'm looking for the 90 days. So 3 months. And thereafter I'm looking for like 1 month, and then I'm looking for 15 days. Okay, see, calculate the range automatically. 12 month 365, 6 month 180 days, 3 month 90 days, 1 month 30 days, 15 days 15 days. Okay, if you don't want, you can go as per the formula. You can create that. I'm creating manually because I wanted to show you. And then ID is also needed for any table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ID just created for your reference, nothing else. And copy it, and then come to the Power BI. I told you we have a static table. We can create this. Enter data here, select here, and paste the value that you copied. Create the name rolling average table and load it. Okay, I loaded successfully. Now I wanted to, you can say, customize this one. So it will load in now. Okay, what I will do, everything is same. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, let me keep as it is to make you understand. Okay, let's create some different from different measure. Copy it. $12-month rolling average. Just pasting for the reference. Just I'm going to see variable pass here. Instead of duration, I wanted to select value. User selected the rolling average. Okay. What the column name? Rolling average. Okay. So if selected, if doesn't select, okay, then it would be passed default 15 days. Automatic default value is 15 days. If not selected, if selected, then as per the selection, okay, that value you're going to pass it. Then max date is good, no problem. Only the problem that I have, if select 15 date, it should be minus the accurate value. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass the value one second, just I'm talking to participant. So see this. So 15 days. So we have a max date, we got it. Okay. Why max date is found? Because we need to maximum date, then come back to the last date, or maybe future date also you can do that by just doing opposite. So I'm just giving idea. So after that, here the problem is that we have passed the date period, okay, and we have a max date. So that's good for me. But the problem is that here I have a selection based value, and it is selection is only give the reference to pass the value. So we are going to change into it, and here variable days will find the days, okay, number of days, type number of days, okay. So is equal to if duration type switch true, okay. Why I'm doing this? If anything is in select value function, okay, select value, what if select value in major you must type the select value, otherwise you won't be able to pass any columns. So select value must select that, okay, is equal to duration, okay. So if you select the duration, okay, so as per duration it should be matched every time. So it doesn't help me in this, okay. So why? Because auto dynamically pass the value, I don't know which value passed. So we need to control this one. So what I'm going to do, I will say that if selection value is what 12 month, okay, 12 month, then pass 365, okay. Let's do same way. Okay, next 6 month, and I doesn't mean follow blindly this one, no, go as per the logic, but yeah, I'm giving the idea that how should I move it, okay. See, when we stuck it now, then they will going to help you. So this is 90 days, and this is 30 days, and 12 months. Then we have the 15 days. 15 days, so obviously 15. And this one I don't need because I add additional. Or by default, select the 15. If nothing else selected, it will 15. So for if I talk about the duration, doesn't need this. Why? Because I'm already fulfilled. I passed the condition here, so doesn't need this. If I directly pass the number of days, so it will help by. Doesn't need this one, so duration remove it. Okay, not needed. I keep it so make you understand that the reason I keep it. So now instead of I pass the 12 month, and what should I do this month? This time I am going to pass number of day. So just remove this one and type number of day. Okay, and it will dynamically select whatever value select that. Okay, just press OK. Nothing else I have to change. Is there a past duration? No. Max date. What is the value? Calculate max date. True. Syntax this. Somewhere I didn't pass the column. Where the column is? This is true. Syntax, this is incorrect. Why written this one? Oh, number of days, okay. In variable dot is not allowed. And here too. I forgot to tell you. Perfect, okay. See this how small thing is capturing now. Okay, so see this, I just wanted to test this one. So here I have the rolling average. Select rolling average, okay, and add the slicer. Where rolling average is created here, rolling average. Pass this one in the slicer, okay. See this. This feature we does not have, okay. By default 15 days will be 15 days will be displayed. Say this. Yeah, value is not much change, but yeah, at least it's changing. That's good because of large data set web, then it will be factored. So anything that you wanted to ask me right now? No, perfect. Now custom average. Custom average, like suppose here I wanted to go my way, that maybe pass the condition like this, okay. So custom average, sometime we got a difficulty, okay, that not able to average it, it will give us some error. So whatever, like we have a sales, okay, sales price, close the bracket, and told the system that sales price should not be blank, not equal to blank. That is called the custom average, because blank is don't consider that. Maybe if you have any specific value, they can ignore that automatically. Okay, so that is called custom. Next we have selection based average. See, that I already told you that you can select here, not here where I created the rolling average, this one. Whatever value select according to the selection, it will going to average it. So same thing here, I covered that, okay. Switch column as per selection. I already told you that if I select this one, it will switch the value as per your need, okay. So like suppose I want to receive 1 month, I click this one, it will change. 12 month, it will change. So it depends on the data size, okay. Ignore blank. I is not equal to blank, that's it. With the bridge. Custom average. Not equal to 1, it will ignore the blank automatically. We have another formula which is called no filter non-blank. So you can use this one as well. Top end, bottom end. So top end prospects, you can select the filter here. Select the filter, and I wanted to see top 2 countries. So select top N by sum of freight. With amount, yeah, freight. So here add the freight here, and top 2 I'm looking for. Apply this one, okay. Top 2, top 3, top 5, whatever it is, go ahead and do it. Let me see the basic filter. It has only Canada, only one value. Why? Oh, I've given the page load filter. Now I want to select top N, top 10 by total sales, okay, and apply this filter. No, I'm looking for the top two only to see that. See, as per the data, it should be coming two rows, but why is coming multiple rows? So means let me check where's value pass it. Check this one. We have a Fred here, employee. Contract country, top N, by sales amount, top two countries I'm looking for. So top two country, if you select that, it's coming all data. What is the benefit of it? There is no benefit. See, it's not working as intended. Let me add here. Top is always still the problem. Okay, let me do it. Okay. So use the financial data, and I'm going to create the table here to show you. Table. Perfect. First select the country, then select the segment, then select cells, okay, and then select the gross cells. I am looking for a top two cells, okay. So top two by country. So we have too many 5 countries, so let's pick up the top two. So top N by total sales I'm looking for. So total sales, we have a cells, paste here, and top two. Apply this one. So top two countries, Canada and United States, top two countries. If you're looking for the top one, so select the top one. Now I'm looking for the bottom one. So bottom one, just change this. Bottom one, Mexico. That have value, okay. Any doubt here? Tops. Top, bottom, anyone can select as per their need, okay. Doesn't matter. Date range and custom range, top, bottom already cover that. It's a repeat, I'll remove it. Okay? It was not removed by mistake. Let's do it right now. Every time you thought to delete that, but yeah, continue coming. Perfect. Any doubt, Monica? Or should I move next?
No, sir. No, sir. You can move next, sir.
Oh, perfect. So now I'm going to cover tooltip, drill to, drill down, bookmark, and button creation. Okay. So let's move to the button creation first. So say this. I wanted to create the two visual layers, this and this. Okay. So maybe copy this one. Okay. And here I wanted to. Here I'm going on. Here I'm writing title off. So come to the view. So come to the format, title, enable this, title enter is on, and this one use off, title on and off, okay. To identify that there is an enter in this, okay. So now this color should have the text color white, background color yellow. Here have the perfect. So on and off. So off prospect, background color should be this, okay, and text color will show off. Perfect. So two visuals were okay. The problem is that customer said, I don't want to select display two things together. I want one kind of display at a time. So how should I fix this? So go to the bookmark panel, okay. add two bookmarks, and when you get bookmarks, it is this view, and here a bookmark, and this is the icon. Okay, here select on, here select off. Okay, perfect. And there is an option called insert button bookmark and navigator bookmark navigator. Okay, see this on and off. Come to the here. I want one pen select at a time. Okay, not all. So first select this one, and no, if you don't did not select, see what happened. Oh, group is enabled. If I select this one, say this. Group is disabled. Okay, until unless you select, group will be disabled it. But I want this one should be enabled. So just click twice and select that. And I wanted to create the group. So button name is toggle button. It's called toggle button. So just type toggle. Okay. And now here up. So go to the format pane and come to the bookmark. Bookmark is option available. Select toggle button. Expand this one. Say off. Okay. So on would be display continue first. Next go to the shape rating. So it should be round or peel, whatever goes for you. You can select and do it. No problem. So I'm going to select rounded rectangle. Then come to the style. See style prospect in by default I'm looking for send left side and little bit on to be changed. Okay, and thereafter I don't want to see on here. Okay, so instead of on I wanted to look this circle. So go to here Google, type Unicode character circle. Yeah, fill circle, pick up that. Okay. Fill circle. Okay. Let's load it. Okay, and copy this one. Copy directly, select and copy. Twice, click twice and select copy. And then go to the bookmark and expand this one. Click twice, paste this one. Okay. Now see this value has been changed here automatically. In my system, I'm getting some problem, but I don't know. It usually this is allow you to modify it. It increase the font. Okay, I'll show you right now. So if I don't select anything, okay, it will display like this. Background color should be yellow color and this one. Okay, perfect. On selection we should see right side, increase our font. See this, and font color should be correct. Fill this one to be this color, and border should be okay. Little bit padding is required. Perfect. Yeah, now it's coming like this. So let's select this one. I press the control and click here. Press control and click here. See this. I wanted to increase the font right now on we can say default one. So let's increase this font little bit, and font color should be white. And now say this. Okay, so this is allow you to change anything. But how should I add this button? So to this, let's select on. If I on, this value is display. So to this we have a selection. So click here, add selection. See this. Which value want you to stop? Go ahead and do it. So selection, see this. Here I have the select this one. So this should be continue. but this one should be off. So I'm going to off it not needed, and on should be continue. So this one going to capture in the what on. So just click here 4 dot 3 dot and you will see the option update that. Okay, next go to the selection and this time on this one, off this one. Okay, and go to the bookmark, capture off one. Okay, see this, if I select this one, what happened? Will it work? But I don't want to see twice one place, so let's, okay, one limitation, say this. Yeah, but since we doesn't adjust parallelly, otherwise it will display one at a time. So see, there's a problem when we're using desktop. Okay, it will click the plus button, but if using Power BI services, doesn't need the button. Without pressing control it will work. So if you're using any bookmark, then at a desktop application, then you use the press control, then you can use it. If you don't want to use, if you publish in the services, then control is not required. Just normally click and use it. Okay, this is the button that I created. Next, drill through and drill up. How should I do that? So this table I have, I wanted to keep the drill through. So drill through, create the page, and I'm going to add the table here. So table add, okay, and data set, use financial, select any column that you like. Okay, I'm not using much column because I just wanted to show you. Increase the font, do formatting all, do practice it the way that you did. I think you learn almost. Okay, so say this one we have covered. Some bookmark manufacturing parts, you can formatting, you can do that, no problem, but just click here. Okay, click here first and go to the page setting, format, page setting, and see here I have a drill through option, drill through. Okay, so drill through are the columns that you needed. So financial, enter to our sales, enter to as the cognos, enter to as country, discount ban, ID, monthly. Okay, so whatever column here you can select here automatically. Okay, once you selected that, okay, change the name to drill page. Okay, and hide this one, select hide. What happen whenever publish in the services? Okay, it doesn't appear there. That's the good thing it has. Okay, so now see this, what happens, it has a go back button. So click with the control, so control and then click here, it will come to main page. Now I want to drill through it, so I want to see maximum city, what happens. So right click here and so drill through page, drill page, automatically it will give the filter, that is called a drill through. Again wanted to same page, control plus click here, come here, then select mid market, so drill through, drill page. Okay, if you wanted to kill the 2 page, go ahead and do that, no problem, but 2 page name should be displayed. Now I wanted to go to the create tooltip. So here, come here, then click here and that, go to the format pane, give the page name tooltip. Okay, tooltips. Okay, standard to change tooltip, this is the mandatory, and add column that I wanted to show there is a tooltip. So finance data, I'm looking for the visual so that I can create that. Okay, so we'll do it later on, don't worry. Let's do one thing, that canvas setting, it should be top to middle can be displayed better, and here add visual, which is called, yeah, perfect, appreciate that. See this, I changes this one, Now I wanted to pass here the axis label, which is country name, and here I wanted to pass the total sales. No, gross sales, units sold. Okay, total units sold I'm looking for. So let me change the data level also to display this one. So I created for the tooltip. Okay, let's adjust this one, and I want this visual can be displayed to the each visual where I wanted to see. So tooltip prospect, right click and say this. It doesn't appear to as a tooltip here. So let's click this one and property tooltip, then report page, select the report which is tooltips. Okay, it will automatically appear, don't need to do anything. Okay, now whenever I want here, see this, it will display the value automatically. We have all value, but here you can see that even you can add the separate all page as well. If you want, you can do that. So as per your need, you can create the tooltip. Any doubt, tooltip, button creation, and drill 3, drill up. Drill up, nothing else. Drill is here. I have option matrix. I show you that up and down whenever you want, you can do that. So let me show you this one as well. Right click, we have country and we have the total sales. Next we have one second. I think you have network. Can you hear me, Monica? I think I have a network problem. Okay, now some total country, perfect. Why the visual? Let me change this one to table matrix. Okay, yes, that I'm looking for. Okay, see this, we don't have any button right now. I wanted to add more button here, so click here and financial data, add the added segment. Okay, and see this option is appear now. So this is called drill down. Okay, and this is drill up. Here option is appearing. See, this is the drill option. Okay, drill down and this is drill up. So if you select here, it will display look like here. This is the drill down, this is drill down, and this is drill up. Okay, drill up, drill down, drill up, drill up, down. You can do that one by one. So this is the benefit that I have. Drill through, drill up, drill down, and then we have the custom. I already covered everything. So that's theory part. Okay, so we already covered it. So tax part I completed. Further questions and definitely will try to answer. So next part is that let's move to the content of yours. Agenda. Okay, perfect. So I have completed this one already, but yeah, just repeated everything. Talk about the DAX part, also cover that almost function. Next, talk about the report publishing, web searches, dashboard and all. Okay, so let's cover this one first. So if you're creating any dashboard, okay, so the dashboard that you created, let's open it and close this one. I'm saving as it is for you so that you can must download and practice everything. Okay, now I'm using your dashboard. So at least I'll show you that what exactly dashboard is and what is the need. See, I'm going to change your dashboard location so that data can be updated. Let's copy and paste this one. Okay. And paste here too. Copy and paste here. Okay. So see, this one I added for you. Now, see, let publish in the services. So remove everything. Doesn't matter if you're removing or not. Okay, see, if customers say this one can be displayed on the Power BI services, so then you can keep as it is. If customers say I don't want to display in the Power BI services, so hide this one. It doesn't appear. So now I'm going to publish in services. So click here. Okay, must log in with your credential that you have. Save here. Then I'm going to pass the training dashboard here. See, publish successfully. Let's open the Power BI. It is published in the training data set. Where is road accident data, and see this, I published successfully. Got it? Now, suppose if you wanted to share with anyone, so click here and give the email ID. If you wanted to pass to anyone that access by link, so you can just copy it here, email them, MS Team, how to open MS Team as well. So let's click on that and say this. But yeah, must log in with the team. When this part is mandatory. Give the group name general setting, and share. Let's close this one. So let's see on the team. So come to the here. Okay. Type Power BI. And open it. Okay. I will call you 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Okay, see this. So here have the we can say Power BI enable that. Now, what I want. Okay. So see this. This is the Power BI. Okay. Okay. So what you can do? You can just go to matrix, and then app workspace, and everything here. See this. So see this. This one we have added that here. So let's pass this one. Training, and then training prospect. Where is your road accident? See this. So if you come to the content, see the road accident. your file you can see your team as well. So that is the best configuration that Power BI has. Okay. So you can use in Power BI and anywhere that you wanted to use, doesn't matter. Any doubt? And remember one thing, that if you do not have a license, okay, you won't be able to publish in this dashboard. At least try it should be there, then you can publish the report. Otherwise, this one can use without license too. You can publish the report. Okay. I got a problem. I think 2 months my Power BI is not working, but yeah, I'm able to use my workspace. That's the reason it was working perfectly. I can publish in Surface only if you have free trial. So remember that if you're not able to, even doesn't allow to open this one, will say renew or premium until I'll renew or subscription, otherwise you won't be able to access that. Okay, that's a problem. Next part is that selection, bookmark and panel. I already told you, but let me explain once again. Okay, if you wanted to select anything, so just repeat you to understand, that's it, nothing else. One second, I'm opening it. Okay. See this, I want select deselect things. Okay, so how should I do that? What is the use of it? So selection prospect view, selection pane is there. Okay, so suppose I want multiple object here. Okay, so I can select it whatever I want and bookmark. Two things, so insert blank buttons, and I wanted to copy this one. Okay, see this, in everything is appear here. See this, you can hide it. This is selection called. Even you can this and this, you can group it together. Select this one together and right click and group it. Okay, so it will work parallelly. Two things can be added together and you can use it. Yeah, it will allow to move together. It will group it together. Okay, even you can add the button too if you want. Here, ungroup it. Now right click, ungroup it, and now I wanted to select once again this, this and this together and right click, group it. If you wanted to merge more things, so right click and merge it, right click and merge it. Yeah, merging never disabled because we don't have any object, otherwise it will allow to do that. Even you can hide with the group as well. What is the use of it? Like suppose customer said that I want the total dashboard can be hide apart from the title, and whenever I click this button I can see the different dashboard, and by clicking another button I'm able to see different dashboard. So this way you can call group everything and hide, unhide, hide and unhide. Pass individual and create the button. User can do that. Okay, so that is the call selection, grouping selection. Okay, do practice it and hope you will learn. KPIs and tooltip. Tooltip I told you detailed. KPIs card. So see, right click, visual. These are the KPI that you KPI here we have. Okay, card. So you can see small value or aggregate value can display. That is called KPIs. Okay. Next we have R and Python integration here. That's very important part. So suppose we have a time come to people learning the machine learning and artificial intelligence. So to this, go to the file, publish, option, See, if you have a, if R installed in your system, it will appear here. If Python installed in system, is appeared. See this, Python installed already system, so it's appearing now. .py, but R is not installed, so that's it won't be display here. So you can install it, and if you know the Python, you can work on it. Okay, so Python prospect you can configure here. Configuration I let you know. So this way you can work it, and Power BI has provide the visual facility here, and the here AI visuals, not AI visuals, yeah, Python. So use this visual to build your query, and after that you can pass your script and use it. Since I don't have to use it, I'm not a machine learning guy to do that here for the Power BI only. So you can, if you ask anyone, to R and Python can you do that, no problem. Okay, is this possible? For interview prospect you knew it. Okay. Yeah, drill down and drill through I told you already. This session will be continued by we can say next session, and we'll try to cover one by one and talk about the we can say I told you that I give you the 10 total 15 we can say what project. Okay, so 10 I can explain. I'll give the data, you can build it. Since you have data, I would say don't follow me, you can build your own. Let me know, I'll help it out. Okay, if any questions same way, that is stuck in. But yeah, while you're doing great job. So we'll explain how to gather information, how should I work and build into in projects, that I'm going to tell in next session, very brief. And your training about to completed only where have a project part is pending, that I'm going to work. Okay, so one thing we can say Monica, that I'm dropping an email that apart from the project part, okay, once two we can say 5 project is completed, because as per institute we need to work on a 5 project. Okay, so that I already cover in while and talk about the we can say 5 projects I'm going to explain, and 5 more projects going to add it to, so that I'll be able to work on it and try to answer the questions. Okay, so this way we can work. So once 5 projects completed, my job is done. So 5 I'll give it to you to build, and we'll connect you one more 2 more session, so that we can solve your problem. Meanwhile, please approve my training, that once 5 is complete, then approve 100% training is completed. Okay, anything, any question that you wanted to ask, let me know.
No, sir.
Yeah, next batch we will go for the we can say explain the project. Okay, sorry, not this one, this one is
Okay, sir.
any doubt, anyone to anything wanted to share with me, let me know. Like suppose any topic that you're not able to understand, any question you have, so next session or maybe right now if you have, let me know. I'll try to answer. I'll cover those topics separately. If you want, I'll cover as well. Don't worry, it doesn't mean that I completed the course I cannot answer your question. I have to answer. Let me know within 30 days. If you have a question, we'll connect you, we'll solve the problem too. Okay,
Okay, sir. But
yeah.
I want to
Okay.
learn now advanced, sir.
Yes, yeah, advance already cover it.
Yes, sir. But
I told,
I
yeah,
want to start.
projects, yeah, projects we going to learn. Don't worry. Okay, projects, don't worry. Project, if you want to build your own, do it. I'll give the data. I have already built it, so there is no meaning for to I do twice and thrice. But yeah, I'll show you everything, explain everything to learn. That I'll do that. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
this session is very very important. Pick up the copy and pen, write down. This interactive session is mandatory, so that you know how should I interact with the client, and also that I'm going to go very brief. Please be attentive tomorrow's session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, I'll give the link to you so that you can let me stop it.